This is the beginning of the challenge. 25 birds in every county in the U.S. First one, fitting, my own county, Henry County, Illinois. Let's do it. All right, this is how it's going to go. There are over 3,000 counties in the U.S., so it's a tall order. I originally wanted to get 50 birds in each county. Moved it down to 25 because I think that a lot of times I can get one or multiple counties in a day. I've already have like 70 or so where I have 25 or more. I'm going to try to do a video in each of those counties if I get back to them, but if not, they still count. And it's going to be it. It'll be fun. I'm 41. I think I'm 41 years old, 42 coming up October. So it's doable, but I'd have to be busy. And it'll give me a reason to bird new places. Got my butt up out of bed early, and it paid off. 2 barred owls calling back over here. Can't find them, but I'm not going to look too hard. They might have nests. Got field sparrow. Added it for Illinois for the year. Got 2 year birds. I got a couple chipping sparrows up here, and hairy woodpecker. Ton, probably 40 tree swallows on the lake. Added eastern towhee for the state. Wild turkey for the state. So, good start to the day. Just had a Cooper Sauk fly over into these pines. Didn't get enough time for video. 27 species, pretty sweet. Time to learn some birding by ear. Tufted titmouse. Peter, Peter, Peter. Downy woodpeckers mad at each other. Right there. Peter, Peter, Peter. Learn that one. They also make like a zzz. So, a lot of birding happens by ear. A lot going on, sorry. Common whippoorwill is heard only, I've never seen one. And then some stuff you can just kind of move right by it. Blue jay, tufted titmouse, red-bellied woodpecker. So you get a chance to see them, but some are harder to see. Blue jays hop around, easy to see, but hard to get on camera. Been a lot of northern flickers out here today. That's it, 25 plus birds for Henry County today. Ended up with 38. Good morning. Here are those birds. So Henry County is checked off, and we're on to the next one.